We made it back. We successfully walked the Camino de Santiago and now we're back in Austria. I already did a video where I showed you what I packed, but some of you also asked if my husband could show what he brought. And on the last day when we arrived in Finisterre, he actually filmed this video. So without further ado, I will hand over to Everson to show you what he brought.
Hi, we just arrived in Finisterre, and Maggie told me that some of you asked in her channel for me to show what I bring to this adventure. So here we go. And I will start with the two things that I believe are the most important items for any adventure that I go. The first one is my backpack. It's a Lowe Alpine 35 liters that I bought so many years ago that I don't remember. But just for information, this backpack is called Air Zone Trail 35 liters. Very happy with it. It's very comfortable for me. The second most important thing for me in every hiking adventures are my shoes. And since this was my first very long hiking experience, I did the right thing for me. I went to an orthopedist and asked for his advice. Considering that I have some arch problems and bunions, the orthopedist recommended for me hiking boots made out of leather. And these hiking boots, combined with especially customized insoles, I walked 800 kilometers without any problems and not too many blisters. And I also wore two socks, which I also believe helped to prevent the blisters. Along with the hiking boots, I have some flip-flops. Extremely helpful after long days of walking to relax your feet, and also important when you are having shower. Inside my backpack, I had 3 packing cubes. The small one is from Peak Design and basically is used for carrying miscellaneous things. The middle one is for socks and my towel, underwear, and I will leave in the description a detailed list of everything I brought. On the big one I have my t-shirts, rain jacket, pair of trousers, and a sweater. Don't try to be too fashion on the Camino because it's not gonna work. Basically, one have to wear day in and day out almost the same clothing. For the t-shirts, I alternate between 2 or 3 options that I bring with me. For the pants, I have one option, which is this from Mammut. They are zip-off pants. So for colder days, you wear it as a normal pant, and on hotter days, you just remove the legs and you wear it as a short. Worked very nice for me. For the rainy days, I had selected different items in contrast to what Maggie has selected for her. And I start with my rain jacket and a festival poncho. And the poncho was also helpful on the heavy rainy days because although I was protected with my rain jacket and the backpack was protected with the rain cover, the space between my back and the backpack was unprotected. And with the festival poncho, everything was sealed and water-free. And for the light rainy days, I brought an umbrella. And also very important when you are staying in albergues, being private or municipal or donative, I brought a sleeping bag. For personal hygiene items, I have my transparent travel toiletry bags, from which I will present 2 items, actually 3 items. From all the items that are inside, I will provide a list in the descriptions below. The Philips One blade, the Philips One toothbrush, and my Matador soap bag. In regard to tech gear, I had to bring a few things with me, although I believe I bring a little bit too much. But to mention a few, here we go. A very old iPad mini and a very old Apple Pencil. My AirPods Pro with a security case because I'm too clumsy. A power bank from Ugreen with a lightning cable integrated. I told you my iPad was old. An assortment of cables and adapters for every use. Very important, an AirTag to monitor my things just in case. My Insta360 X4 with his stick. And I create a Frankenstein combination with this DJI tripod from my gimbal to make things stable. And to finalize, some paper and pen to take notes on the go. Another very important thing on every adventure, hydration. For this one I brought my hydro flask, and as Maggie already mentioned in her other video, our Grail bottle. This is the Ultra Press model, and with this we can filter about 500 milliliters of water, and then we can have peace of mind with clean water to drink anywhere we go. And to take care of your body while you're walking around, I also add some magnesium tabs into the water I drink. Now let's wrap it up with miscellaneous things that does not fit in any category I mentioned so far. I also have my own gear ties from Night Ice, and it's amazing the amount of things you can tie with this little orange thing. More details on the description below. At the beginning of our adventure, we had quite a lot of heavy rainy days. We just went to a Decathlon store where I got this little pouch, which is waterproof, and that keep all my documents dry and safe, including my pilgrim's card, which is now full of stamps. Last but not least, my reading glasses and sunglasses. Also very important, this thing that Maggie hates, but kept all the stinky things in my backpack with a very nice smell of lavender, which Maggie thinks smells more like a toilet cleaner. I also bought a sitting pad, very important during the Camino stops. And I also brought this packable backpack from Osprey, which is very useful when you arrive at your destination and you want to have a stroll in the city to bring your personal belongings with you. Don't forget to protect your head. In my case, I brought two options, a cap and a hat. And that's it. I guess I covered almost everything I brought. Like I mentioned before, I will make a packing list and leave into the description for you to have a look at. I hope all this information is useful for you. If you like to see what my wife brought for this adventure, I will link a video here or here. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my wife's newsletter. She will be very happy with it. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel. How do you finish your videos? And like Maggie used to say, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video, maybe. Ciao.